Hi there! I'm going to show you how to add buttons to your Drupal website using Glazed Builder. In this video, you will learn how to add and customize the button element. To add the element to the page, click on the plus icon. The button element is under the Content tab. In the title field, fill in the button title. Here, add the destination link of the button. Now select whether you would like the link to open in the same window or in a new window. Here are the different style of buttons. These are default styles that are based on the Bootstrap class CSS colors. Also custom styles, for example, if the button is a success type, the color will be green. To have the button in full width of its container, switch on the Block Button option. Now select the size of the button. Once you've finished, click on Save Changes. As you can see, now you have a button on your website in just a couple of easy steps. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more.